Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Evaluate x cube plus 5x square minus 8x minus 12 divided by x minus 2. So we will perform polynomial division here. So we'll write x cube plus 5x square minus 8x minus 12 divided by x minus 2. First will be x square. When x square multiplies this particular expression, it gives x square into x is x cube, x square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Now this result of this multiplication will be subtracted here. So x cube minus x cube is 0. Now this negative sign will turn into positive, so this will be plus 7x square. And we'll write minus 8x minus 12 as it is. Now in order to eliminate this x square, 7x square, we'll have to multiply this expression with 7x. So 7x multiplied by x is 7x square. So that is, and 7x multiplied by minus 2 is minus 14x. Now this will be negative, this will be positive. This is eliminated to 0. This plus 14x minus 8x is plus 6x. Now minus 12 will come here as it is. Now in order to eliminate this 6x, we'll have to multiply this expression by plus 6. So plus 6 into x is 6x, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So this will be negative, this will be positive, both will be 0. 0 plus 0. So this polynomial is completely divided by x minus 2 and answer is x square. Answer x square plus 7x plus 6. Answer is option B, x square plus 7x plus 6.